Start. I am always glad to have an opportunity of meeting different sections of people. Full stop. There is no doubt that the business community has played, is playing, and I hope will continue to play an important role. Full stop. I think there is absolutely no contradiction at all in the policy as you, Mr. President, have mentioned just now. Full stop. We do think that the private sector has an important part to play. Full stop. But we think that what goes by the name of so and so is precisely what you have condemned in the latter part of your speech, that is expediency on the part of the very small section of the people at the cost of the larger section of the people, and unless the business community realizes that this, it is no use talking of obligations to the public unless you know exactly what that means. Full stop. It is no use talking about so and so unless you know where in the interest of the country lies. Full stop. It is no use talking even about desirability of production unless we know production for what. Full stop. Do we want to produce for the sake of producing, or do we want to produce so that the standard of living of the poorest of our people can be raised? Question mark para. You begin and even ended on a pessimistic note. Full stop. I beg to differ with you. Full stop. I think there is a buoyancy in the country, in the economic field, in the political field, and in the social field. Full stop. I think never has India at any time since independence been better poised for advance and for going ahead at a faster rate than it is today. Full stop. There are many difficulties in our way. Full stop. May I ask you, are these labor problems, racial problems, the world? Question mark. Is the law and order problem confirmed or unique to India? Question mark. Is it not forced by the United States of America? Question mark. Or by any other country which you choose to pick out on the map of the world? Question mark. Let us be realistic when we are facing these problems. Full stop. The business community has first of all to learn not to run down the nation. Full stop. You have condemned for running down the private sector. Full stop. May I ask you to look at the speeches which have been delivered through the years and the number of speeches which I have set through condemning the public sector? Question.